for tuning in to the Priceless Pearl Life Kitchen on today. It's springtime, and so I want to prepare something healthy and light for Mom and I on today. If you want to see what I'm cooking up in my kitchen, just keep watching. So today's menu includes a garden salad, bumped up of course, a fruit salad, and honey garlic air fried wings. Today's seasonings include 1 teaspoon of the following: paprika, lemon pepper seasoning, Italian seasoning, onion powder, and black pepper. So here's today's tip. I started removing the inner caps and the outer caps from my seasonings, and I placed them inside each other, upside down. And when I'm finished, I don't have them mixed up. The pepper lid is not on the paprika lid. Well, you get the point, and that's my tip for today. So I have about 2 pounds of chicken wings that have been washed and cleaned, and now I'm going to pat them dry so that my spices can adhere to my chicken. This blend of seasoning packs a most delicious taste. So make sure all of your chicken has this seasoning. You see, I'm taking my time and making sure it's well coated. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back. And one big hug from me to you. And if you're new here, welcome. And since you're here, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload of the Priceless Pearl Life. This fruit salad was a last-minute addition to the meal, so I'm using what I have on hand. I know, my watermelon should be seedless, but again, I'm using what I had in my refrigerator. To help bring out the natural sweetness of my fruits, I added about 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to mix well and place in the refrigerator to chill. My mom insists that I cut the lettuce up. And what mama wants, mama seems to get. And we absolutely love lots of toppings on our salads. And again, using what I have on hand: mozzarella cheese, croutons, crispy onions, sweetened cranberries, and candy pecans, as well as sunflower kernels. My honey garlic sauce consists of olive oil and black pepper, soy sauce, minced garlic, and honey. I absolutely love cooking for my family, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Continue to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe. Become a part of my YouTube family. So thank you, family, for coming back week after week to watch all of my videos. I thank you so much for your support. And don't forget to share my channel with your family, your friends, and your co-workers. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. And I'll see you in my next video.